Okay, everybody. Here we are for the day's set of notes. Right. So, as you can see, these notes should look familiar, right? These are the ones that are in your Schoology at the bottom, filled in notes. And the reason I'm highlighting this is because this is what we need right here, right? The slope formula, right? M is equal to the slope, right? Remember that M, right? M is slope is equal to delta y, which means up or down, over delta x, which means left or right. Okay, so make sure you have paper and pencil out ready to take notes. Okay, so this assignment is going to take place on Deltamath, right? I know we typically use Deltamath for quizzes, but in this case we're going to use it for practice. So I go over here and I see it's Deltamath, right? So let me zoom out here and show you what the assignments are going to look like. So again, as we always do, we're going to read the instructions first. Okay. So draw a line representing the rise, right? Rise is delta y, up or down. And a line representing the run. The run is left and right, delta x of the line. State the slope in simplest form. Okay. So let's see here. So this is a little different, as you noticed. In the previous assignment, we already got points. Points were already there for us. But in this case, we need to identify points. So points have to be right in the center of these little boxes here. You see these lines? They have to be right in the center here where it meets the blue line. So for example here, this is not right in the center. It's not here or it's not there. So this cannot be a point. This can be a point. Look at this. It's right in the center. Okay. So what I need to do is I need to find two exact points. So there is one. That's not one. That's not one. That's another. Right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom out and I'm going to put my first point there. So with the mouse, I'm going to click. And look at that. It made a point. See? Okay. So now remember, I want to get from here to here. From this point to that point. You see my mouse? From here to here. Now remember, we must do rise or delta y first. So here to here is going down. So I need to go down first. So I'm going to go down 1, right? Down 1 and over 1, 2, 3. Okay. So the way I do that is I already made 1 point. So what I need to do is I need to make a second point right there. So see, 1 point, a second point there, and look at that. Look what that created. 1 down. Now I need to go 1, 2, 3 to the right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create another line, another segment from here to here. So I need to click here again, okay, to start the new segment and go 3 down that way to end the segment. So there, look at that. So I went down 1, which is -1, and over 1, 2, 3. Down 1 and over 1, 2, 3. That means down 1 means -1 over. Now the division symbol is over on the bottom right hand side of your keyboard. It's with the question mark. So everybody look down on your keyboard on the bottom right hand side. It says question mark and then slash. Well, if you press on that key without shift, no shift, just press on it, it creates that. Right? So let me make sure. Down 1 and over 1, 2, 3. So -1 over 3. So I'm going to submit. Yes. There you go. Look at that. down 1 over 3 is a negative slope. You got it. Let's try another one. So remember, I need to find 2 exact points. This is not going to work. But this one works. Look. And this one works as well. So I'm going to start with that one here. I'm going to put a point there. Now I want to get to here. So I need to go down 1. So I'm going to go down 1. And I need to go over 1, 2. So I'm going to create a new segment from here to here. So I need to click on here again. And I'm going to go over 1, 2. 1, 2. There you go. Look at that one. I went down 1 and over 1, 2. Again, start here. Down 1 and over 1, 2. So down 1 is, oops, -1 over, hit the slash, right? Question mark slash over 2. And I zoom back out and I hit submit. Look at that. Perfect. 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 This is a positive slope. So again, let's find 2 points here. Well, luckily for me, look, there's one right there. And one right there. And one right there. And one right there. It doesn't matter which 2 you choose. Right? But for this one, let's choose this exact one right here. So that one. Okay. And I want to go here. So I'm going to go up. Right? Because it's going up. See? From here to here, we're going up. So we need to go up 1 and over 1. So I'm going to start here. I'm going to create my first segment. There's my first one. I went up 1. I'm going to create another one, another segment from here to here. So I'm going to click on here first and over to the right. There you go. I went up 1, over 1. So up, when you go up, it's a positive 1. And when you go to the right, it's also positive. Look, when you go to the right, the numbers are positive. When you go to the left, the numbers are negative. When you go up, the numbers are positive. When you go down, the numbers are negative. So this one is up 1, over 1. So I go down here and I say up 1, over 1. But wait a minute, I notice 1 divided by 1, well, that's just 1. So I can click 1. And I submit answer. And there you go. My slope is 1. Up 1, over 1. Up 1, over 1. Perfect. Okay. One more. Let's do this one here. So remember, I need to find 2 exact points. So there's this one here, right? This one doesn't work, look, because it's not right in the corner here. But this one is right in the corner. And nope, that's not right in the corner. Nope, that's not right in the corner. But yes, this is right in the corner. So I'm going to go from here to here. So I'm going up. So I'm going to start here, click, and I'm going up. So that means I'm going to go up 1, right? Because I need to get to here. So I'm going to go up 1, click, and to the right, 1, 2, 3. But I need to create another segment from here to from here to here. Right? So I'm going to say click again, and I'm going to go to the right 3 and then click again. To the right 3 and click again. And look at that. Up 1, over 1, 2, 3. Up 1, over 1, 2, 3. So up means positive. Up 1, over positive 3 to the right is 3. And I'm going to hit submit answer and yes. And there we go. All right. And there you go, kiddos. That's how you find the slope between 2 points. So again, if you have any questions or if you're not sure, make sure you pause, you rewind to make sure that you are on the right track. All right, but thank you guys for listening.